Still with us, Smart FM and BPEC. Give big applause first. Thank you, guys. Okay, we have a tagline, of course, right? If I say, BPEC.
Wow, bright and breezy.
Okay, thank you, guys. You have a good spirit for tonight. Yeah, continue our second question about people pleaser. The question is, what is the advantages and disadvantages about if people's like a people pleaser? Okay, maybe Dafa.
Oh.
Okay, time is yours.
Let me think first. About people pleaser.
Yes, you can start from the advantages or disadvantages.
Me as the user.
Mm-hmm.
Me as the user of the people pleaser. When my friends say to me, "The fuck, can you help me do this?" And then myself automatically say, "Yes, of course I can help you."
Mm-hmm.
So for the advantages is you can make other how to say it in English? Forgot it.
Do not hesitate say in bahasa. I mean like mix.
other people work
Uh-huh.
to other people work. It apa ya? I forgot in English.
Change in bahasa to make effective your expression.
So when I help my friends, so my friends automatically the face changes to become happy.
Yeah.
Because I help for them, and then sometimes me
Mood booster.
yeah mood booster for me, and then my friends sometimes help me too. So if you help someone and then someone will memorize what will you do before to them, and then they will pay back to you.
Yeah.
That is the advantages.
Okay.
For the disadvantage, maybe for the haters, people pleasure, think like you become
They're abusing your kindness.
what else of
I mean like
yes,
they are
memanfaatkan.
abusing.
Yeah, abusing you, and then they just come
your
when
kindness,
no,
right?
Yeah, they just come when they needed you, and then
Yeah.
they forget you easily. Yeah,
Right.
I think that's for the disadvantage.
Okay, that's sounds great. Yeah, nice statement. What about Tenri? Okay, what is the advantages and disadvantages this case?
Actually, disadvantage about who do always behave as
You start from disadvantages, sorry.
yes,
Okay.
people pleaser
Uh-huh.
is, I think it's less advantage because we just all people just love us because we give them what they want, but after that we will get we don't know in behind us. Maybe we will get mocked, maybe, or as Dava say that abusing.
Abusing your kindness.
Yeah, abusing our kindness. We don't know, but what characteristic about people.
Yeah.
So that disadvantage about people pleaser. I said that before, it's abusing our kindness and
Try to not similar with him.
yes, and
Come on.
we always
Don't copy.
yes,
Copy.
and if I disadvantage about a people pleaser, I always regret that why I do that. Why I always say yes about that. Oh my God, I always regret if I do something. If I do after that, I think that after condition, if I
Sometimes there is a
say-
regression, right?
yes,
Regret.
but
something like that.
sometimes when I say yes, I'm regret. So it's like, oh my god, I hate myself. It's like that.
I see. Yeah.
Yeah, you know, right? If you are people pleaser, right?
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
Next, Fira. In your opinion, your point of view, what is advantages and disadvantages this case?
For me, the good impact of people pleaser. For me, it's a kind of a alternative of media for us, because we always like help people, and I make it as a media for a ticket to heaven, because we don't even know that what will happen tomorrow.
Three of you like elimination session, cause you each other to, you know what I mean? Elimination. Oh, come on.
And it's a media for me to how to study about ikhlas.
Oh my god.
Yep.
That is the advantages, right?
Yep.
What about other side, disadvantages?
People always, some people can make a label for us, like if they are have a trouble, they will come to us as a
In other words, in bahasa jika ada maunya.
yeah.
Yeah, right.
Then back to what I said, that I make it like an alternative to how to ikhlas, and as a ticket. Of course, we are feel like like disappointed for what they
That's
did.
normal.
Yep.
Normal.
And it's right to make myself to eliminate seandainya in my dictionary, because it's not good.
I see. Okay. Nice explanation. What about you? Do you copy the question? Do you get the point, right?
Right.
Okay. Please.
The positive impact can place orders, and the bad the bad impact is talking yourself.
Talking yourself.
Yes.
Self-talk.
Yes.
Similar? Yeah.
Yes.
What about others' side?
Yes.
What about
Side.
other side? I mean, this is advantages. What about disadvantages? Yeah, the bad impact.
Yes.
Yes.
Bad impact.
Negative side. What about that?
Is seperti itu
Trying to look into
ter-
easy sentence to
starting-
expression. Do not hesitate spacing in bahasa when you have an obstacle to make it complete your sentences. No matter. Come on. You can do it. Yeah.
Seperti starting yourself tadi, kemudian because
Yeah, I
Dapat
see. I know what you want to say. Yeah, but that's actually is a, it's relative. I mean, like, it's not absolute when we talking about the negative and the positive, because always there is a lesson inside that. I mean, always hikmah, right? So, but negative or positive, always there is hikmah inside, right?
right.
Yeah. Okay. That my third question. But before we are going to my third question, we will be right back after this. Stay with Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia.